Okay, we're here at Castle Park, and behind me is Duke's, or the Big Top Burgers and Barbecue. And then we have Duke's Frying Factory, which has all kinds of fried food, including funnel cakes, corn dogs. This is a Castle Park airplane ride, crazy plane ride. And a rocking tug. That one goes back and forth. The train's going by right now. We go this way. This is a little tiny coaster called Merlin's Revenge. Here it goes. It goes around twice. To the tug. Oh, they have a Dippin dots too. And they have benches, tables and benches all over the place. This ride is called the Fireball. It's basically a loop, and it just goes round and round and round. It's actually just stopped right now.
Annie!
This right here is like the what do they call them at Knott's? I don't remember what the name of these Knott's, but you have a handle and you're basically moving the sail on the front, and it can make you go higher or lower. And then that coaster in the back, I have not seen working since in the 3 times we've been here. Looks like a little Wild Mars coaster. Let's watch the Fireball go after they load it back up. So this is the other side of the Merlin ride. Merlin's coaster. And the freeway is right there. That's the 91. So you can see this part right when you're driving on the freeway. You can see it.
All you that's working here.
I don't know if they're loading anything. Oh, they gotta let people on, I guess. It's gonna go, I guess. Oh, they're loading both the rides. Oh, don't forget, this is a 360 video, so at the very top left corner of your video, you'll see arrows windows that go up and down and left and right. So you can look behind me or on the side. You can look up or down. So it looks like you're loading the fireball, so this should be ready to go soon. Actually, you can see the Merlin's one go by. Should be going again. I think they go by twice. Oh yeah, there they go. Start going, then they can use the sails to go higher or lower. Here goes the fireball. Finally. What is this now? Oh, Dragon Flyer. Okay, that makes sense. And this one here is called Screamin Demon. So yeah, I've never seen this one working. And right in front of us is the entrance and exit to the park. And let me go in to the Big Top beers, Big Top burgers and it's a little darker in here, so we have some. I think these used to be animatronics, but they don't seem to work anymore. You can see wires. Well, if you look closely, you can see wires. And I know at Christmas time they have a show on the stage. I don't think there's anything for Mardi Gras right now for the show on the stage. And then over there is in front is the where you order the food. So they have burgers, chicken fingers, or chicken tenders, ribs. The ribs are really good too. Carne asada. They have ices and regular drinks. They have cookies, Dippin' Dots, kids' meals, mac and cheese. And they serve a lot of food too. So that's it for this part of the video. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I will see you in the next one.